If you think about a model, what do you want? You want the signal generated by that model to have subsequent correlation with future returns. But does growth in state models equal growth in intelligence? Are we really getting more intelligent with every model? Actually, no. What we need is growth in models that contribute intelligence. So we need to evaluate Numerai as a whole end-to-end artificial intelligence system. And that is what we've done with something we released a few days ago called True Contribution. So True Contribution is cool because if you understand True Contribution, you understand all of Numerai. It turns Numerai into this feedback loop where only the models that are contributing more intelligence are rewarded. So I think it's one of the most important things we've actually ever done. True Contribution is a huge advance for monopolizing intelligence on Numerai. And so now that we've surfaced True Contribution, we hope that it'll make all kinds of alterations to the staking behavior of the Numerai data scientists and walk us closer and closer to a much more intelligent system.